for watching Great Day Colorado. I'm Denise Plant. The Aurora Borealis is one of the most fascinating natural events that happens on Earth, and sometimes you can even see it here in Colorado. Now, coming up this fall, one place is getting ready for you to experience the magic of the northern lights. The Aurora Borealis is back, and here to tell us more about it and the big event is David Jacobson from Visit Aurora and Diana Merkel. Welcome back, you guys.
Hey, Denise, great to see you.
Yeah, David is my radio brother from another mother.
Hey.
He used to work radio with me too. So it's great to see you.
It's great to see you too, Denise.
Welcome back. So what inspired the return of the Aurora Borealis Festival? This is the second year?
Yeah, last year was a resounding success. We had over 15,000 tickets reserved, and the community was like, hey, we love this. Bring it back, make it bigger, make it better, and that's exactly what we plan to do this year.
And when you do something, you do it right.
Absolutely.
So obviously it's a cool event. Why did you decide to partner with Aurora, or the Aurora partner with Stanley Marketplace for this pop-up event?
Well, who doesn't love Stanley Marketplace, right? I mean, it is a cultural touchstone in Aurora, and it also kind of represents the spirit of the Aurora Borealis Festival when it comes to evolution and technology, and it was just perfect. And that's going to be on full display with Diana Merkel over here, who is our artist who has a display, Sky Flames, that's going to be at Stanley Marketplace that is going to showcase kind of a preview of the Aurora Borealis Festival.
Wow, what was the inspiration behind your art?
Oh, geez. I mean, really just trying to capture that sort of ethereal nature of the light and the changing motion of the light in the Borealis and in the northern lights themselves.
How beautiful. How does it feel? I mean, you're debuting your piece, right, at this event. So how does that feel to you?
It's really exciting. I mean, this is, you know, I had art at the event last year, and that was sort of a pop-up thing, but now here I'll have it as a permanent install in the Stanley, so very exciting.
Up top, sister. Way to go. That's awesome. Look at this. How beautiful. Absolutely stunning and gorgeous. And David, how does the festival support tourism and economic growth in Aurora? I mean, this is really doing great things.
Well, we're bringing visitors and residents, obviously, to Painted Prairie for this event on October 10th and 11th, and folks stay at hotels and they dine at our local restaurants. And all of the vendors that are part of the Aurora Borealis Festival, these are local mom and pop shops. So when you support the Aurora Borealis Festival, you're also helping, you know, send kids to dance recital. You know, you're supporting local businesses in our community, and that's what it's all about.
You're having a wonderful time at this event, but you also want to support, like you said, kids going to school and dance recitals and all these wonderful things. So this event is October, what date?
October 10th and 11th at Painted Prairie.
Okay.
An amazing recreation of the Aurora Borealis effect, and that's going to be with the outlook of these incredible performances and the global gift bazaar. We have all these vendors and all this food. It's just an amazing amalgamation of the technology and also the culture that makes Aurora so special.
You're an artist and you've been involved for so long. How do you truly feel that art and then the light play kind of shapes and builds that connection with the community in Aurora?
Yeah, it's interesting. I mean, I think last year's art piece was a great example of that. I had sort of this orb garden, and you could actually get into the art, and it was woven with all this paracord, and there was these benches inside. People could climb in and really sit down and talk to each other, experience the art, sort of make up their own stories about the art, try to figure out how it's made. So, you know, I think anytime art can bring people together with that kind of curiosity is really just fascinating.
Beautiful. I'm going to give them more information on how to see your art and this big festival. Thanks for coming in. Good to see you again.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah, if you'd like more information, I mean, we know this is going to be a few months out there, but it's never too early to start planning a trip to see the beautiful recreation of northern lights. The festival is happening on October 10th and 11th, like Dave said, from 4 to 10 p.m. at High Prairie Park in Painted Prairie. Timed entry tickets range from $17 for general admission to $83 for a VIP experience. Remember, you're doing good with that $83 ticket. You're actually helping the community of Aurora. If you'd like to learn more about the festival, visit auroraborealisfestival.com.